In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Cisco Packet Tracer 7.2 for Windows 64-bit. So as you can see on my screen, I already downloaded it. But if you want to download it, it's free. So you just have to do a Google search for Cisco Packet Tracer download, and just look for this link here. Website is www.netacad.com. Download the Packet Tracer simulator tool. So I'm gonna click that. There you go. I am already logged in, but um, if you but like I said, you gotta have uh, an account for you to download Cisco Packet Tracer. Registration is free, so you just have to sign up. So in my case, I just need to log in, but I'm gonna show you the windows where I'm already logged in. Oh, here. Uh, when I click login, it automatically logged me in. So um, I think you have to uh, register to the Packet Tracer course for you to download it. Um, as you can see here, I've got some courses that I've enrolled in the past, and these are the ones that I already finished. I've got some in progress here, but Packet Tracer is actually you can actually download Packet Tracer if you go to, in my case, resources. Click that section there, Packet Tracer, and just wait for the website to load. And in my case, I'm using a 64-bit Windows, so I need to choose this Windows Desktop version 7.2, so of course English. So I just need to download that, to click that, and it's downloading. But like I said, I already downloaded it, so I don't have to do that again. So I'm just gonna cancel it. I just wanted to show you how you can download it yourself. So I'm gonna show you how you can install it. So here, once you downloaded it, it's actually in zip file, so you have to unzip it. So in my case, it's already unzipped. So this is how you install it. So Packet Tracer, you click this. So yes, of course, except this is just a pretty simple installation. You just have uh, to click next. I think all the next buttons. There's no there's not a lot of things that you have to do during the installation setup. So, but in my case, I already installed it, so I'm just gonna cancel this. Okay, so this is the icon of of the Packet Tracer. So and here's the uh, the new look. So I'm gonna actually show you how you can configure a couple of routers using Packet Tracer. So okay. Of course you have to restart it, right? Oops. I'm actually using OBS to capture my screen. So physical. So here I'm gonna configure a couple of routers. So in my case, I'm using two routers, 28 series. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually let me just delete this first. So I'm gonna use fast Ethernet 0, and on the other router fast Ethernet 0/0 as well. So I'm gonna configure that interface. No shutdown. IP address. Let's use this IP address. 1 subnet mask 255.255.0. Enter. Let's check its status. So it's tapped down. So it's physically up but logically down. So I still need to configure the other router, which is router 1. So enable connect. Let me do a show IP interface brief first. So I'm gonna use fast Ethernet 0/0, configure an IP address, and this is gonna be 10.2, so /24. Oops, wrong spelling. So no shutdown. Let's save our config. Let's check the status now. It's up, so the other side should be up also, and it says change to up. So let me just verify that. So yeah, it's up. Let's do a ping and see if we can ping 10.10.10.2. And I can ping it. First packet drop because of ARP, but when I do a ping again, it's successful 5/5. So let me save the config again. So that's how you can configure a couple of routers inside Packet Tracer. So if you notice, I didn't really restart the routers. They are already uh, powered up. I mean, powered on. So this is how you save your configuration. I'm gonna save mine on my desktop. So configuring uh, two routers, basic configuration. Con and configuring interfaces on routers. So there you go. I'm gonna actually close this and yes, and see if I can open this the file that I saved. And here it is. Let me see if it's got the same configuration. Show IP. It's up. So let me do a ping again. Let me ping dot 10.2. So I can still ping it. So that's it in this video. Like I said, I'm just gonna show you how you can install Packet Tracer, how you can download it, and how you can configure a couple of routers inside the Cisco Packet Tracer. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.